Hey guys, welcome to the Joe Bullard Spring Fling. We are excited to be here. Whoever prayed, we had many prayer warriors. We are thankful for their prayers because the weather is fantastic. Got a nice breeze, and we're so glad everybody's showing up. We're watching people come in right now, and it's just going to be a great day to just be fellowshipping together and just celebrating all the people that make up our great company and really just loving on them and just telling how much we appreciate them. We would be nothing. We certainly wouldn't be out here without our people. And so we got band cranking up. We got food trucks over here. We got a beer truck right here. We got people just, we got jumpy things for the kids. So just so excited to be here and can't wait to enjoy it. Take care.
We're so excited to spend the day with our teams here at Spring Fling.
favorite things about Spring Fling, first off, is the band. They do a great job. Like it's easygoing music. But secondly, is I think we have a new game this year. We have famous egg toss that we're known for, and so I'm always a fan of the big egg toss. But also, I think we have maybe some sacks for some sack races, just old school sack races. So I'm looking forward to maybe watching sack race.
My favorite thing about Spring Fling is getting to meet everybody from the other dealerships. What's your favorite thing about Spring Fling?
Cones.
Free beer is my family. Everybody that gets to come with me, and we get to spend time together. So it's awesome.
I'm excited to be at Spring Fling. It's a beautiful day, great people. My buddy Mike McVeigh. It's a good way to spend a Sunday afternoon.
We're all here for everybody else, so thank you very much.
We love it because I get to bring my grandbabies and enjoy the day and see all the co-workers at all the Bullard organizations that I don't get to see but the one time a year. So we love it.
I love meeting all the employees that I've never met before because they're at other dealerships and their family. It's just beautiful out here. A great day. Thank you, Ty, for doing this for us.